It's 95 degrees. We're kind of crazy, but up we go. Well, as Cody Lundeen said from Dual Survival, only donkeys and gringos walk in the noonday sun. It's 2 o'clock or 2:30 or 3, somewhere in there. And I'm not a donkey. I feel like I'm gonna see a Western shootout in a minute. Very cool. What do you think? You got a new backpack with the water bladder like you wanted. Is the water getting cold yet? We just put some ice cubes in it. Not yet. Is it working good? Can you get enough water out of it? Mm-hmm. Yep, stay hydrated. It's hot today.
Daddy, my water's cold now.
Good. Come on. Let's keep walking. Let's get out of this sun. All right. Corona Arch and Pinto's the one we saw right up there. Pretty decent one. You can see right through it. And all these other arches in the making here. Come on, clouds, cover us up a little bit. All right. All right. Well, you got a big toilet arch there, Corona arch there. This looks like Paul Bunyan's potty. Oh, we're supposed to go up right here. Yeah. And then around, that's gonna be tough. All right, adventure girl. Kind of steep, but yep, hold on to the chain. It's a little bit hot. Good job. Good job.
My towel.
That's okay.
Preparing for half dome here.
That a girl?
Maybe 16.
Yep, that's right. You, no problem for you. On the side of a mountain here. Yep, hold on to the rock. Good job. Well, hiking in 95 degrees is no joke, especially in the high desert. You got a beautiful view. Echo! Whoa, that goes on forever in every direction. We summon the native spirits. Ah!
Wah, wah.
Hey. Beautiful, beautiful.
I wonder why it's so big of a hike to get to this one arch.
It says it's beautiful. So how you feel about this hike today?
Hot.
But you got a towel that's wet with ice water, and you got
Feel it, guys.
Yeah, very cool. And what else do you got?
My backpack and my water bladder.
Yeah, drinking a lot of water today. After this, we're going to jump in the swimming pool.
Yes, I'm drinking a lot of water.
Says about 95 degrees, 96. All right, 190-year-old dinosaur tracks. There's 2 here. Very cool. up on the side of a mountain.